Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
I have just one more question, and that is also from an outsider's point of view. It appears to me that one of the most difficult aspects of Krishna consciousness for someone to accept who's been brought up outside of that point of view is the deities. The deities, and the idea that they represent
deities?
Krishna. Could you talk a little bit about that?
Yes. At the present moment, because you are not trained up to see Krishna, so Krishna kindly appears before you, as you can see. You can see wood, stone. You cannot see what is spirit. Even you don't see yourself. You are thinking I am this body. But you are spirit soul. You are seeing your father and mother daily, and when the father and mother dies, you cry. Why you are crying? Now my father is gone. Now where is your father gone? He is lying here. Why do you say he is gone? What is that thing which is gone? Why you say my father is gone although lying on the bed? You have seen daily your father. Now you say my father is gone. So, but he is lying on the bed. So who has gone? What is your answer?
Where is God?
Who is gone? If you see your dead father and you say that he's passed away, what has passed away?
His body.
Who is that father?
Only his material body is gone.
The material body is there, lying on the bed.
His body is there.
What
You say my
what's
father is
gone?
gone, so what is gone?
Well, his spirit is
So
still
have
there.
you seen that spirit?
No.
Therefore you cannot see the spirit, and God is supreme spirit. Therefore, to show kindness upon you, he has appeared just like wood and stone, so that you can see.
I see.
He is everything. His spirit and matter, everything. But you cannot see him as spiritual identity. Therefore he has appeared in material form so that you can see. This is deity. He is God. But you cannot see him in his original spiritual form at the present moment. Therefore, out of his unbounded mercy, he has appeared before you just like made of wood and stone, so that you can see.
Thank you very much.
Very good. So you are coming daily in our meeting?
Not daily, but I'll come.
That's nice.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,